my package from out of homeschooling came in the mail today. I'm really excited. I'm going to open it. Yes, the stuff. Oh my gosh, it's like so cute. Okay, so the stylus comes out. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It looks so real. It even gets a little back on it too. Thank you so much. Okay, and then small things first. It's a cupcake. She said she was gonna need some extra. It's a cupcake. Looks so yummy. Yeah. And then ooh, a donut I got. And the frosting is even like shiny. It looks so real. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. And ooh. I do not know what this is called, but it looks really cool. Yummy. Ooh, it's so cool. I kind of remember like I don't so yeah. Oh, it's a chocolate bar. So cool. Big yum. This is like my favorite thing I'm getting. The little cake. Gosh. It looks so yummy. And so real too. Oh my gosh. So squishy. And then the doll dress. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. I love the ripples at the bottom. Still ripples. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I know it doesn't sound very exciting, but I really am because I'm like really tired and stuff. So yeah. Oh my gosh. How all of the stuff in to dance and give an overview of everything. Sure you can see everything. And the dress. So. Okay. So I got the doll dress, which is so pretty. I love it so much. I got the donut, which is extra little surprise. The cupcake, extra little surprise. And then this, which again I told you I forgot what it's called. I'll look it up later. And then this cake, which is my favorite thing. It's so squishy. And then my chalk bar. Bite out of it, and the DS in a little stylus. Everything looks so real. I'm not kidding. It's like awesome. I love everything so much. Thank you so much, Britt. And your note is so nice. I would read it, but yeah. So thank you so much. I love all the prizes a lot. Well, bye.